In this video, we'll be looking at an NFT minting shop in Unity3D where we'll generate our own object at runtime and mint it. Let's see how it works.
Hey, try some different types of NFT mints.
So here it shows 3 different kinds of mints which exist in NFT Port SDK and how to use it. We'll start custom mint, and where we'll also generate our custom game object according to user input.
Custom mint. You can upload advanced metadata including attributes and mint the NFT as part of your own collection. Here we go one step further and create a runtime generated image, 3D asset and metadata for the NFT according to user input and the current time. Choose a color below for your potion. Choose it wisely as it may affect some future outcomes.
But before we do that, we also need to connect our wallet. So we can click the wallet icon over here, and if it's in build and we are using the WebGL template, you'll see the link below to the live build. It will open up your MetaMask. You can connect via there. In the editor, we're just gonna go to player connect and do a mock wallet, and we'll choose a nice color.
Great work. NFT has been minted. Check your account on the Blockchain Explorer or any of the marketplaces like OpenSea. Don't forget to check under hidden items as well.
So that's it, and it's done. What it did was, when we chose a color, we took a screenshot, created a 3D object material of the color, and which can be any custom property. Right now here it's material, and we uploaded both of them to IPFS. From there we generated a custom metadata, and then we uploaded our custom metadata to the IPFS and we minted it to our player's wallet. Let's see how it looks. So if we see our object, and that's it. So that's the screenshot on the outside, and then inside we have the 3D model with the color which the user chose. We have also put this in the metadata so we can use it later and do things with it in the game. Further, we also have the stats. We also record the current date, and then we have 2 more examples, which is easy file mint.
You can turn any file into an NFT from within the game engine. This also allows the possibility to mint runtime generated objects as NFTs. Enter a custom description for the NFT below. With Easy Mint URL feature, you can turn any file into an NFT via a web URL with a single function. Easy Mint allows you to define fields like name, description, file URL and address to mint to. Enter a custom description for the NFT below.
It also has some extra functions.
You can upload advanced metadata including attributes and use the NFT as part of your own collection. Hey, didn't you mint that already? Only 1 mint allowed per type.
Which doesn't allow you to mint like again and again. This is still a local function, but you can use the SDK to query if the user has already minted through transaction APIs, and then have a more hard-coded way there. This ability to allow runtime minting from Unity is really powerful. It opens up a world to a whole new way of how to see these Unity objects, and any object can be an NFT inside Unity. It can be audio, it can be NFT images as we saw, it can be 3D objects, it can even be data, or maybe a piece of defined codes which you can utilize it, and the ability to do it custom and also generate the 3D objects at runtime, which Unity allows. It's a whole new way to see ownership and procedural assets between Unity and different products and metaverse. We are really excited to see what you build, and you can find the open source template of this project in the link below with all the examples and code. Happy building, and see you on the other side.